Hello there. In this video, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about the new Gen 2 image to video option on the Runway ML. Before we begin, head over to their website and sign up if you don't have an account, or you can sign in and then log into your account. And then you have to click on this option where you can see the Gen 2 badging. And now we have several options. We can either add a text or an image or both with an image and a description. What we're gonna look into is the second option, which is just the image. We want to upload our own image and then create a video. For that, we're going to use Leonardo AI to generate our images, so you can check that out. Since we already have the images, I'm just going to upload them here. Now let us simply drag in our first image. Here we have a toggle button where we can add some settings, and then simply click on the generate button. And here we have our first video ready. We can open it up and have a look. As you can see, there is a nice animation going on with the character blinking their eyes, and the whole atmosphere sort of keeps moving around the character. This is nice. We can download that and save it in our computer. Now let's go ahead on Leonardo and find some more images to work with. Here you can go to the home page and explore some options. I find this to be very good looking, so I'm gonna download this image. Then I'm gonna come back to this website, and then I'm gonna drag in our image. And once again, wait for it to finish uploading and then click on the generate button. If you scroll down, you can see your latest creation, and you can keep note of them in this manner. And here we have another nice looking animation. If we have a look, we have sort of a glow effect on the character's eyes, which is great, I think, in my opinion. And let's create some more. We have a wolf, and while one of your images is being created, you can also delete this from the prompt and add more of them, so you can get it ready for your next video. And click on the generate button, and then your new generation will be queued. So after the first one is done, it will start automatically. And now we have our animation of the wolf. Wow, I think that looks stunning with all those visual effects going on around the wolf and the background, and how the ground is moving as well. I think this is a really nice addition to this website. This has done an amazing job with the creation of the videos. And we can also have a look with our character. And here as well, we can see that it is looking absolutely stunning. So that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. You should definitely check out this video. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.